My name's Israel Tillman. Yeah, I'm a student at Guidance. Just finished my CFI, working on my CFII, and I like riding mountain bikes too. It's kind of one of my side hobbies. Guidance Aviation sponsored me to go up to Colorado and race in the second annual Grand Junction off-road. So loaded up my Jeep, started driving up there. Yeah, I was real stoked to have Guidance on as a sponsor and get that kind of support. It's real cool that Guidance is interested in events like this and they wanted to sponsor me. You know, as a veteran going to college, not making a lot of money, so it's great to have them help me out with gas and event fees and stuff like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting. You're always amped up, getting ready to go when you're on the starting line, knowing that you're about to take off with a bunch of other riders, going elbow to elbow on the trails with them. The trails are really pretty awesome. It's not your typical cross-country course. It's got some steep climbs and some drops and stuff that makes it pretty interesting. I think overall there was maybe around 300 people in my category. I did the open men class. I did a little better this year than last year. I did maybe like 12 minutes faster this year. I think I ended up 17th. I'm slowly getting faster.